The Spiralock brand of Stanley engineered fastening offers internally threaded fasteners that are uniquely designed to resist thread loosening under vibration by incorporating a 30-degree wedge ramp at the root of the thread. Spiralock provides reliable fastening solutions for threaded joint applications across a wide range of industries. We've set up a demonstration between a standard fastener and the revolutionary Spiralock fastener. Let's observe the standard fastener tighten to 15 kilonewtons tension. After just 20 seconds of vibration, the standard fastener has completely loosened. Spiralock's wedge ramp allows male fasteners to spin freely relative to the female threads until clamp load is applied. At that point, the crest of the standard male threads is drawn tightly against the wedge ramp, creating a continuous spiral line of contact along the entire length of the thread engagement. As clamp load increases, the wedge ramp pushes against the male thread from all sides, eliminating the radial clearance that allows fasteners to begin self-loosening under vibration. Now we put a Spiralock fastener to the same test using the same parameters. Our patented wedge ramp gives a different result. 20 seconds, and the Spiralock fastener maintains its tightness.